This was the main highlight of our exhibition for this year. We strongly believe that the future of advertising is going to be based. But it was an amazing experience to meet a lot of people. So being a design company, we plan to tempt the visitors to pick up our flyer voluntarily. Our actual intention was to create cognitive dissonance. We showcased the experiment about the color psychology and its importance in customer behavior when a certain color is applied to a product or service and how it is going to influence the buying behavior of the customer. According to this survey, GITEX Global was a fantastic event this year, and almost after 2 years of COVID-19, we were actually doubtful about how the event is going to turn out. But it was an amazing experience to meet a lot of people from different part of the world. It was our 4th year exhibiting in GITEX. So being a design company, every year we try to bring something creative in our presentation and in our handouts. This year also we try to communicate our expertise in a different way that could make us stand out from other exhibitors. We strongly believe that the future of advertising is going to be based on behavioral science principles and practices. Now we are transforming into a behaviorally informed design company, and we are always aware of the current trend. This was the main highlight of our exhibition for this year. We plan to tempt the visitors to pick up our flyer voluntarily, and we thought of doing it in a different way, so that we conducted an internal discussion with our team. In that we shared about the whole atmosphere and the allotted space to them, and we discussed about the possibilities by connecting behavioral science and bias. Actually, we thought of installing a kiosk to seek attention of the visitors, but as we had certain limitations in this stall, we ended up with the thought of creating a miniature version of the kiosk of a person pointing into the flyer that can be handheld. And then we thought of placing the content that would awake curiosity, and at the same time we wanted to create an urge in the visitors to pick up our creatives as well as to relate with Tapio's services, branding and advertising. So we assume our audience as the customers in a supermarket, and our stall as certain area in a supermarket. Our team visualized this as concept and implemented experiment, interplay of curiosity generating faces and colors. We devised the experiment with 4 alternatives, which includes orange, yellow, green and violet cards. Our actual intention was to create cognitive dissonance among the participants while picking their favorite designs. We found that our participants devised mainly on 2 different approaches while picking their favorite design, that is salience bias and bite shedding. We showcased the experiment about the color psychology and its importance in customer behavior when a certain color is applied to a product or service and how it is going to influence the buying behavior of the customer. According to the survey conducted, orange card was the one opted by majority of people, as well as we came to an understanding that people are not only choosing the color cards on the basis of color but also by considering its appearance. The most exciting thing was that we got the exact same results when we did the experiment back home, as well as on the days we showcased it in the event in GITEX. It was a great experience because people were very curious to know about the results or the impact of the experiment. We met with a lot of like-minded people, which was one of the most interesting part because those people were already in the design space or in the advertising industry, and we interacted with them, exchanged thoughts regarding color psychology or behavioral science space and everything about it. It really made us feel pretty good and very grateful that we were able to connect with the best of the best people in the space and to get appreciation from them as well as to get connected with them. I'm really thankful to the Kerala IT for organizing such a great event and giving us the opportunity to exhibit at GITEX this year. And especially thanking CAFIT for their advice and help which was very valuable throughout our journey, and it has been a great experience all over. See you next year, hopefully. Thank you very much.